Hello YouTube friends. I just got a little delivery today of a bag charm that I ordered from the Coach outlet, and so I thought I would kind of unbag it with you. So I opened up the side here, and let's see, here's the little packing slip, and so this one has an item number. Let's see if it says what it is right here. Coach multi mix, I think emblem BC, and there's the item number. Oh, that's cute. I thought it was a little dust bag, but it's just a printed. I haven't gotten anything in a little printed Coach bag like that. It'd be nice if it came with a dust bag, but at least it's wrapped. Oh, this is cute. I had to wait a while for this one. So this is the little Coach multi bag charm, and it, if you can see, it spells out Coach in just multicolored little letters. Let's see if they'll hang correctly, huh? So you've got kind of an orange colored C. Kind of yellow colored O, blue C, green A, and purple H. Very cute. This is really nicely made. Of course, you know, it never hangs like it does. The back is just brass. Never hangs like it does in the picture, huh? It just looks like a bunch of who knows what, but and then I'll probably take this off. I usually take off the actual key ring, but it does say Coach on there. And here's the tag. So the, let's see if I can get this in focus here. Let's see. Oh, come on. This has not been focusing very well lately, but the original price is $98 apparently, and I got this for $29.40 on their Black Friday thing. This took forever to get here too. They didn't mail it out for a long time, and then once they mailed it, UPS didn't pick it up for a long time, so I'm glad to have that. That's cute. Of course, like I said, it's not going to hang in order, I'm sure, but it'll just add a little pop of color, and then it's got a little tiny Coach hang tag to it. Pan in a little bit. There you go. So I thought I'd share with you some of my most used bag charms, because I haven't really gone over those before. And so I'll start with this one, which I'm sure I'll be using a lot. And then I also had gotten this one over the summer, I think it was, and this is also Coach, and it's got the little cute little Coach hang tag in silver, but this is just leather tassels, and you just have really pretty colors. You've got the lavender and kind of a periwinkle, kind of a mustard color, and black, and then they have the signature cap. Very cute. I've used this on lots of different multicolored bags, not just Coach. It kind of matches this too. Very nice. And then, if you're an animal lover, pretend this is not real fur, but I think it is. This is just a little pom-pom that I got off, I believe, AliExpress a while back. Let's see if I can pan it a little bit. There we go. And it's just kind of a multi-tone tan color. But I like these because when you shake them out, they get really fluffy, and this is a really nice one. So it's got a little leather tab on it, and one of my favorite type of attachments, this little hook, little tension ring. Put on your bags, but this goes with a lot of bags. And then I have another one in kind of a really pretty emerald forest type green. So I've got that. And then I like this one probably because I made it. This one I got off of Michael's website, and it was on sale for, I think it was like $1.50 or something, this little llama. He has little jewels hanging from his little his little saddle here. But it's really cute for summer. I like the colors. And then I added this little 3-part tassel from a little makeup bag that I got free from Ulta. And I just thought it was really cute, little embroidery thread tassel, but it goes so well with the little llama. So I used this one on my white bags, or my off-white bags during the summertime. And I lost my favorite jeweled cherries charm, so I got another one off of Amazon recently, and I like this one even better. This one does remind me a lot of the Coach one that they had, but it's got the kind of cheapy clasp on it. But it's actually really well made. These are nice enameled cherries, and you've got all the little jewels on there. And this is a solid jewel, and then this leaf is jeweled. But I thought that was cute, and the cherry color is so pretty on this. It's just a very deep, pretty red. So I use that one a lot. And then lastly, and these aren't by any means all my charms. These are just the ones that I use the most. And lastly, I got this one. This one is Coach Tea Rose. It says Coach on the back. And I'm not sure of the color. It might be beechwood and kind of a oxblood tone on there. And then the pewter hardware has a little tag. I got this one pre-owned off of eBay way back when. I think this was a couple years ago when I started getting back into Coach. But I really like it. It's just a little leather tea rose, very simple, but it goes with everything. Casual outfits, kind of fancy bags, things like that. So there you go. That is my collection of my favorite bag charms. Definitely not all of them, but these are my most used ones. So I hope you liked this unboxing and favorites video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.